Sony 1000X Mark IV headphones. They are wireless noise cancelling headphones and I love the Mark III. Let's unbox. So inside the case we have the headphones itself, a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone cable, and an adapter for flying. Oh, I almost forgot a USB to USB-C charging cable. These babies have up to 30 hours of battery life. Multi-point, which means you can connect these to, say, your laptop and your phone at the same time. A quick charge feature where if you just charge these for 10 minutes, you'll get up to 5 hours of battery life. And quick attention mode, where if you cover the ear cup, it'll mute your music and then you can hear what's going on around you and have a conversation. They come in two different colors, black and what's apparently silver. Silver, Sony? This is like an off-white. That's the color of my walls. It's just like a darker off-white, but it's not. See, look, it's trippy. Oh, dark, light, dark. It's a nice off-white color. Look, you can see it. It's nice. Oh, sorry, I made that seem like that was the main stuff. No. There's this funky new sensor in the ear cups of these headphones, which is able to detect whether you're wearing them or not. So if you take them off, it will automatically pause your entertainment or whatever you're doing. Can you see this? Look at that thing. That's fancy. Oh, I just love the 1000X range. A feature that's been around since the start of this model is the gesture pad on the ear cups. I can just swipe up and down if I want to increase my music's volume or, decrease it. I can swipe back and forth to skip tracks. I can even double tap to play and pause tunes. It's just so nice and it's so smooth. You wouldn't even know it's there. Is that a plane? Sorry about that, I couldn't hear it. In fact, when I've got these on, I can't hear shit. If you work from home or you ever take conference calls, these are really good for that because the noise cancelling is crazy good. I have taken a phone call in a noisy bowling alley one time and the people on the other line didn't even know. But what's more impressive to me actually is that the noise cancelling was so good for me that wasn't bothering me in the background and I could concentrate on the call itself. Honestly, the noise cancelling on these things just keeps getting better and better. Now, I've had my hands on the Mark IVs for about a week, but I've been using the 1000Xs since the first iteration, and they have been my favorite headphones just because of the comfort. They're high quality, but I've been on so many 10-hour flights with these things, and they're the only headphones I can wear for such extended periods of time. So, you'll just excuse me. I'm gonna nap it, right, yeah. But seriously, look at this. We've got the squishy padding at the top here. This very delicate, squishy memory foam-like material, and they're really lightweight. In fact, they're considerably lighter than my Hear-On headphones by Sony, and I didn't even realize that until I got them out to compare them. These are really awesome headphones. They are cheaper, and although they're fairly comfy because they have a squishy ear cup and a bit of padding here, it's just not quite the same. These are so much lighter. The padding here is like more dense and rubbery. If you're looking for the ultimate comfort, I can tell you just compared, I always pick these over these, even though these are really stylish and good all-rounders as well. 360 audio, try a sample. Oh, okay, well, just hold on then. I've got to adjust this. May as well hear the difference. Okay, normal audio, it's going ear to ear. Okay, and now 360 reality audio. What the? Okay, so the music is now panning from ear to ear, but like, it's there, and it's there. And it's like there. Before it was just, ear to ear. Not the best royalty-free track, but a very good demo. That's sick. Okay, so if you want to listen to 360 audio, you do need 360 by Deezer, nugs.net, I kid you not, what a name, and Tidal. These apps. I'm also getting a free trial subscription. That was that document I almost tossed off the table when I was unboxing. This is my free trial. I have the code on the back. These also boast a really cool new feature called Speak to Chat. Now you need Sony's free Headphones Connect app to enable it, but basically if you start talking while wearing these, they're meant to pause your music or whatever you're playing so you can then hear what's going on around you. We need to test this out. Here's the Speak to Chat feature. Simply by starting to talk, you can converse while wearing headphones. Would you like to experience this function? You do have to toggle it on or off for when you want to use it, because as you can imagine, if all you have to do is speak near the headphones to make it pause your entertainment, then you could get into some really funny situations where it's just constantly pausing if people are talking around you. Well, I assume that. Testing. Pause straight away. Just testing the Speak to Chat. Pause is so fast. Wow. Oh, paused again. Babe, can you come here and talk to me?
Hey Ellie, what you doing?
Come closer.
Hey Ellie.
Oh, hold on, sorry, it paused because I spoke. Holy shit, I wonder if you can actually stop this or if it's just me.
Hey Ellie.
Yeah, what did you say? It pauses! In the app, you can also adjust how much noise cancelling you want or ambient sound, so I can just toggle through that. And now I can hear pretty much everything going on around me. And if I slide that back, it's very muted. It feels as if I'm wearing like earmuffs, like the ones you would wear to use a jackhammer right now. Headphone hair. Another notable feature about these headphones is it has a quick charge feature, which means if you plug this in for 10 minutes, you get up to 5 hours of battery life. Now that is nuts. Based on my tests, that's pretty much correct. I guess at this point, you're probably just wondering, what's bad about these? What don't you like? But honestly, I love these so much, but I have one small gripe because I don't really have any issues with them. It's just the charging cable itself. Look how bloody small it is. What the heck, Sony? I mean, I might plug it into my laptop, but then the laptop's just gonna sit. Like, everything about this cable means these headphones are gonna be in the way when they're charging. I'm just gonna have to buy another cable. It's the tiniest USB to USB-C cable I've ever seen in my life. Well, there you have it, the Sony 1000XM4, or Mark IV, or number 4. Foursome. That's what it is. I'm never gonna do that again, but I love them. Subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thumbs up, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye. It was pun. Oh, Jesus. Now I understand why grandparents think it's stupid to have pants with rips in them, because I just got hooked on my tripod and almost fell over.